Thanks for joining us for another episode of Arctic Wolf Zoom Diaries. This month, we're celebrating Women's History Month. Ladies, thanks for joining the call. Can you tell us about your PAC Unity Alliance?
Megan Flanagan and I co-founded Women Transforming Tech at Arctic Wolf in the summer of 2021. And our hopes were creating a PAC Unity Alliance that will inspire and empower the women at Arctic Wolf. Our core focus is to provide a platform for women and supporters to build community, create strong professional networks inside and outside of Arctic Wolf, foster career development, and identify informal and formal ways that Arctic Wolf can be more inclusive of our community.
What are you most proud of?
I'm most proud of the platform we've created for all women to have a seat at the table, to ask tough questions, to spark important conversation, and create meaningful change.
As a pillar leader in the Women Transforming Tech, it's the opportunity I've had to build relationships with female leaders within Arctic Wolf and our tech community at large to evangelize, educate, and promote women in tech.
What inspires you to lead within PAC Unity and within Arctic Wolf?
I had a strong female leader early in my career that helped guide me, coach me to become the leader that I am today. And I hope to help create that and inspire others within Arctic Wolf.
I'm inspired by the opportunity to make an impact. Many people struggle where to start with mentorship. We are providing stepping stones for people to begin their journey towards achieving their long-term goals.
In one word, can you describe what it's like to be part of the PAC?
The word I would use to describe how it feels to be a part of the PAC is energizing.
Empowered. We all have a voice, and it's up to us to use it. And Arctic Wolf has created a platform where it's not only accepted, but encouraged to speak up and advocate for things that you're passionate about.
What do you believe the PAC can do together?
I believe the PAC will foster professional and personal growth and continue to evolve together.
Together, I believe Women Transforming Tech will create opportunities for growth and cultivate the success of women within Arctic Wolf and the tech community as a whole.
Together, I believe the PAC will form new connections. And I say that because we have really strong leadership, department leadership, and individuals that are all working towards the same goal. And that's to create a great working environment that really moves the needle.
Thanks again, ladies, for sharing your experience with us. Interested in joining the PAC yourself? You can visit us at arcticwolf.com/careers to view open roles, or click the link in the bio below. Who knows, you might be next to join the PAC.